Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mark from Ford Mustang 98 Guy. It's another day in which to excel. Today, I am at the back at MSD Motors. I am at the back of the building. I am here at MSD Motors, located at 109 Rexdale Boulevard. And today, I am here to present to you a full in-depth tour and walk around of this low mileage 2007 Toyota Matrix. Now this is a base model, so I'm not sure what trim level this is. This one's a base model. I'm not sure what the trim level is, so let me know in the comment down below, and then I'll edit it in my description. Today I'm going to give you a full in-depth tour and walk around of the Matrix. I'm going to jump inside, I'm going to start it up. I'm also going to pop the hood and show the engine. I'm also going to review the interior, and throughout the video I will be walking around the outside of the car as well. This car is for sale here at MSD Motors, here at 109 Rexdale Boulevard. And if you guys have any interest in looking to buy this vehicle, if you guys are interested in, wanted to know more about this car, please give Emin Dhaliwal a call at 416-741-8880 or 416-725-4009 and let him know that you saw my video. So, without further ado, let's sit inside, we'll start it up, let it run. The color of the exterior is silver. And you have black cloth interior. This car was made in, I think, September of 2006. It's a 2007 model year, so this was an early 2007. This car's got 131,000 kilometers on it. Alright, let's go ahead and start it up. It is low on gas, so I'll try and do the best I can here. Starts right up. It does have manual windows, power locks. Let's get the heat on. It's kind of cold today. 3-spoke design steering wheel. I can literally palm steer with the palm of my hand. Coming to your transmission, you have a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Overdrive button is selected on the side. Button is selected on the side of the gear shift. Low gear selection. The parking brake is hand operated. This is your hand brake right here. Parking brake is hand operated. Alright, so we'll turn on the hazards. And we'll turn on the headlights and the fog lights. Alright, now I'm going to walk around the outside. This is broken here. So they did some body work over here. Gas cap is lockable. So if you guys are looking to buy this car, give Emin Dhaliwal a call and let him know that you saw my video. If you guys remember that 2001 Infiniti QX4 that I did a review on here, that used to be Emin's uncle's car. That's long gone. Actually, somebody just bought that, and I just met the new owner who bought it, so surprised I didn't see my video. This thing doesn't run out of gas. This looks like the Pontiac Vibe. The Matrix and the Vibe are the exact same car. And the Matrix and the Pontiac Vibe actually first came out in 2003. So this kind of looks like a 2003 model. This is a 2007, this particular car here. It's already 16 years old. Like I said, it's an early 2007 because he actually made this particular one, this one here, in September of 2006. Let's see if I can get the side here. I'm standing right beside two cars, so let's hope I can get a good view of the side. You see my Buick in the background there. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna open the hood and show the engine. Let's pop the hood. Well, it looks like the hood won't stay open. Hang on a sec. Uh-oh. I think the hood's not going to stay open. Yep. That's not going to stay. Kind of busted my hand almost. Anyway, that prop stick's not going to stay. Here's the information. So this is a 1.8 liter. Under the hood we have a 1.8 liter VVTi 16 valve 4-cylinder. Basically the same motor from the Corolla. I'm scared that hood's gonna shut on me. Okay, let's close the hood. Oh, almost hurt my hand there. All right, power door locks. manual windows. You have storage down there. Fully manual driver's seat. Recline. This is the recline right here. This is the seat position, and I believe this is the lumbar. And you have a tilt steering wheel. The lever's located underneath the steering column. Please excuse the mess in there. Okay. This is for the glass. Let's see if that works. I think this pops open. Yep. I'll get to the trunk after, but that works. All right, let's have a seat. Let's review the interior. We don't have too much gas in this thing, so yeah, we are low on gas. Move the shifter. Climate control. Fan speed. Temperature. Here's your temperature. Different zones. Front defrost. You have a cigarette lighter right here. Was a non-smoker. That's a good thing the car was never smoked in. Ashtray. Very easy to use. You have your air conditioning and rear defrost right there. Recirculation, digital clock. Hazard switches there. You have your 2 air vents there. AM/FM radio with CD player.
Please, my fellow Americans, don't let that happen. The views expressed here on the Crawford stand are those of the speaker, and Mr. Crawford would love to have you chime in. Let him know what you
preset stations. Cup holders. Here's your handbrake. Storage.
His email address again is stan@crawfordmediagroup.net. When you want to review what you hear, go to our website.
Manually dimming rearview mirror, right there. Off to this side, you have your headlights and fog lights and turn signals. Your wipers are off to that side. Rear wiper. Low speed. High speed. Does not have cruise control. It's missing the cruise control there. Over here you have your RPM gauge, your tachometer, speedometer in the middle, gas gauge and engine temperature gauge. And then over here you have a little trip computer and your mileage is there. It's 5 degrees outside. Trip computer. Not bad. Well, I guess that's it on the interior. Pretty much showed you everything. Anyway, I'm gonna move on to the back seat now. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you have your, oh, this doesn't work. Come on. There's your interior light right there. This is your light for the interior. All right. Oh, hey, the light doesn't even work when you open the door. Ah, gotta play with the switch. Let's see if it works when you close the door. Yeah, it works. Not bad. All right, let's check out the back. I don't have much gas in this. It sucks that there's no gas in the car. Let me just change the radio station because WDCX is not working well.
Only symbolic value. Arresting the Russian president.
Sorry about that. Let's just change the radio station there. Let's have a seat in the back. Oh, somebody left the cup holders open. Here's your handle. You have your other handle on that side. This is your cup holders.
Moscow Station last month. Not so in The Hague today, where the president of the International
International Criminal Court issued an arrest warrant.
Of Vladimir Putin, President of the Russian Federation.
Accused, says Piotr Hoffman.
Well, there's nothing to see back here. Let's get out of here. Oh, don't want to lose my phone. Let's open the trunk. Hey. Oh, we got a license plate light out on the right side. Not bad. It's just got some stuff back there, but it probably needs to get detailed and cleaned up. So, excuse all the mess there. Funny story on this car. This used to be, if you guys remember Simplify Automotive Sales, who's Willard, the guy that had that 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. This was actually one of his cars. This used to be Willard's car, and then he sold it, and then I guess this came back on trade, or I don't know if Ammon bought it. It's a funny story though. Like this used to be Simplify Automotive Sales car. Used to be owned by Simplify Automotive, but now it's Ammon's car. It's kind of a funny story there. Nothing really to see back here. Like I said, this is very basic. Pretty basic car. Storage down there, and you have a fully manual passenger seat, recliner, and this is seat position. Pretty basic car, but you know, Toyotas run forever. Let's have a seat. Oh.
Let's not forget that as far as Xi Jinping is concerned, a humiliated Russia and a triumphant West in this conflict is most certainly not a very favorable outcome for the Chinese.
As for Putin, he'll likely ask China for more weapons on the summit.
Nothing in the glove box.
Worrying less about any possible trouble from The Hague. Sasha Petrusek, CBC News, Toronto. At the critical time, Putin.
All right. Oh, that's weird. This car doesn't have fog lights? That is weird. I wonder why there's no fog lights there. Oh well. It's kind of hard to turn it off there. All right, let's shut her down.
They're sitting around NATO's table, integrating.
That's it. We come to the conclusion. Hope you guys enjoyed the full in-depth tour and walk around of this 2007 Toyota Matrix. If you guys are looking to buy this car, please give Emin Dhaliwal a call here at MSD Motors and let him know that you saw my video. This is Ford Mustang 98 guy signing off. Thanks for watching and goodbye.